What I was hoping you would get out of simplifying these expressions over here is remembering order of operations. So if we look at 15 times 20, 15 times 2 is 30. Add a power of 10, you've got 300. Then we want to look at the next one. Excuse me. Then we look at the next one, and it says 20 plus, and then 0.15 times 20. So think about what 15 times 20 is. That was 300. 0.15 has 2 digits behind the decimal, so that part equals 3, and then you add it to 20, and you have 23. Okay, I've lost my stylus, so forgive the mess. Then you have 1.15 times 20. Well, 0.15 times 20 was 3. 1 times 20 is 20, so wouldn't it stand to figure that these two would equal the same thing? They actually represent the same thing, because if you think about it, this says 1.15 times 20. So think about what that's saying. If you think about the distributive property, it's 1 times 20 and 0.15 times 20. So you have 20 out from both, and you could say 1 times that plus 0.15 times that. Well, that's the same thing as what we have up here, because when you look here, we have 1 times 20 plus 0.15 times 20. So those are both equal to 23. And then the last one is 15 divided by 100. Well, wait a minute. 15 divided by 100 leaves me with 0.15, and that times 20 is the same as this part right there, and this part of that we had right there. So there's a lot of familiar things here, a lot of things going on that are very, very similar. Well, let's look at them in context here and decide which ones would represent each of these situations. All right, so the first is, which of these expressions represents a 15% tip on a $20 meal? So it wants me to say which one represents just that 15% tip when the meal is $20. Well, that would be this one right here, wouldn't it? Because that says 15% of 20, and that's going to give you the amount of the tip. But which represents the total bill? I'm going to erase some of this because I made a huge mess here. It's not letting me erase all of it. Let me try again. Here we go. So let's look at what we have here. Which one would represent the total bill? Well, the total bill is going to be 15% of 20 and the 20. So this one could, as well as that one. Hopefully that had some meaning to you. Here's the tip. These two equal the same thing, so they both can represent the total bill.